Hi, I'm Siddharth Reddy, Managing Director of Surf Gold India Private Limited. We are a marketing services company that specializes in the strategy, techniques, and logistics of loyalty marketing. We in India work with top blue chip and MNC companies who expect a very high quality of service from us. This means that we had to invest in solid communication infrastructure, stable IT infrastructure to deliver a better customer experience. The solution for us was very obvious. We went in for a combination of Windows SBS and Office 2003 Small Business Edition. This comprised of Exchange, SharePoint, ISA, which helped us manage our security, helped us collaborate better, and provide a very enriching experience to our customers. The Business Contact Manager and the new features built into the PowerPoint really thrilled our audiences.
Hi, I am Ankur Tiwari, Operations Manager for Sasha Foods Private Limited. As the name suggests, we are in the food business. We run a restaurant chain with the name of Khaja Chowk and are extensively into home deliveries and takeaways as well. Our business requires our database to be stable, secure, and well managed. Microsoft 2003 SBS Premium offered us a very low acquisition cost, as well as it helped us in fulfilling our database management requirements. On the whole, we found the solution to have a very low ownership cost.
Hi, I'm NG Pillai, a licensed customs agent. We also do data entry operation for the custom documentation for the importers, exporters and traders. We implemented Microsoft SBS 2003 solution to help our business. With SBS, our customers' data is absolutely safe. Now we don't worry at all about the network security. We concentrate only on our core business. Thank you, SBS 2003.
Hi, I'm Siddharth Asar. I'm a partner at Shobha Asar, and we're one of India's leading jewelry houses. We specialize in high value jewelry, in diamond studded and invisible claws. Our business was divided into three parts: retail management, inventory management, and production management. All the three parts, the IT part of it was very similar to an ERP implementation, but an ERP implementation was way too expensive and way too complex, and we didn't think it was the right thing for us at this point. Microsoft SBS 2003 gave us the solution we were looking for in our costs and our timelines. It gave us everything we were looking for without sacrificing on functionality. Communication collaboration was key among our employees for the office, the shop, and the factory floor, and Exchange Server with Outlook connected everybody seamlessly. We allowed all of our personnel to communicate with each other, and it left the top management free to focus on key business processes.
Hi, I'm Paresh Haria, partner Interglobe Services, Bombay. We are into exports of cotton textiles. Recently, we have also moved into exports of polyester as well as viscose rayon fabrics and made-ups. Our company needed solution to manage our database, communication as well as contacts, for which we found Microsoft SBS very useful. It took care of our faxing, sharing contacts and distribution, database management and domain-based mailing while keeping all data absolutely secure. Also, the cost advantage is great. These are many solutions in one single package. SBS helped us create a world-class IT infrastructure at a low cost, and yet we don't need an IT administrator.
Hi, my name is Harish Shah. I'm the managing partner of Signet Chemical Corporation. Our company is engaged in the import and distribution of pharmaceutical raw materials and excipients. We realize that unauthorized access to our data and information and viruses is a reality that one has to cope with. And fortunately, the SBS server provided a very strong internal firewall, and that took care of our requirements. What SBS server also did for us was to eliminate the need to be in direct contact with our employees. They could communicate because of the collaborative nature of the SBS server, and thus really improving our communication and take away all delays. We see two distinct advantages: enhanced security and very effective communication with all our people. And I think for the price that we pay for it, it's well worth it.